Has a hard anodized surface that is durable, heats evenly, and prevents hot spots. Non-stick performance for easy food release, cleaning and allows for healthy cooking. Long stainless steel handle stays cool and is riveted for strength. Oven safe to 450 F. Flat and wide bottom for a large cooking surface. Tapered lip for pouring and tossing. Not induction safe. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, etc. Hand wash recommended. Included components: 8-inch Saute Fry Pan. The Cook's Standard 8-inch 20 cm Nonstick Hard Anodized Fry Saute Omelet Pan. Black has a hard anodized surface that is durable, thick, and harder than stainless steel. The heavy-gauge aluminum core distributes heat quickly, evenly and prevents hot spots. Non-stick coating delivers exceptional performance, makes food release, cleaning easy, and allows for healthier cooking. Lead, cadmium, and PFOA free with a slick surface. Long stainless steel handle stays cool, comfortable and is riveted for strength. Flat and wide bottom for a large cooking surface and multi-purpose use. Sloped sides for tossing, holding more food and allows for pouring, sliding items out. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Oven safe to 450 F. Not induction compatible. Dishwasher safe, hand wash recommended. Top reviews from the United States. I'd buy this again. This 12-inch pan came used from Amazon warehouse and it had 2 very slight scratches in the pan. That said, I'd buy it again in a second. It's properly heavy and it both heats up fast and cools off fast. I have yet to wash it as it wipes perfectly clean with a terry rag, and it has done that for eggs in butter, chicken in oil, and for really hot seared beefsteak. The handle, using it over electric coil, has yet to get hot to any noticeable degree. So far this beats 2 very expensive multi-layer stainless steel frying pans and an anodized heavy Calphalon wok. Hope it lasts. Edit. After 8 months this is absolutely fine. It has never been washed and wipes clean with a paper towel or dish rag. Once I smoked some oil in it and let it sit overnight with water in it and it easily wiped clean. I also have never used any metal utensil in it. Perfect.